Kitchen design is a very specialized job. Still, professionals make some mistakes, which I will discuss today. Hello guys, this is me as Spaciative, with another quick video. In today's video we will discuss 10 very essential tips, which you need to remember, while designing your kitchen. So, let's get into it. The first tip is about light. Ceiling light is never enough, no matter how much light you put on the ceiling. So, light below overhead cabinet is essential to lit up the worktop. But don't use profile light. Those are for decoration only. Surface-mounted LED panel lights are most successful here. Second tip is about storage. Tall unit may increase the storage space, but it reduces the countertop area drastically. So for small kitchen, one should avoid tall unit, and go for ceiling height overhead cabinet. Third tip. Kitchen is normally planned for one garbage bin near sink area. But an additional one is always very useful near preparation area. It should be fitted with a drawer, so that you just pull it, and sweep the garbage from countertop to down the bin. Fourth tip. I guess, most of you heard about triangle rule in kitchen. It says your cooking range, sink, and fridge should be placed in a triangular formation. The most functional kitchen formed an equilateral triangle. But this is not the only criteria. You have to check other things as well. Fifth tip. If your kitchen is U-shaped or parallel, and the middle space is tight, you can make the back counter opposite cooking range 20-inch deep, instead of 24. 24-inch depth is only required, where you put your cooking range or sink. Sixth tip. It is often seen that the cabinet below sink is deteriorated after 4 to 5 years, due to moisture. So the counter with stone top should be separated by a joint, so that it can be changed without much effort. Before going further, if you have come so far, please subscribe the channel. It inspires us to bring great contents for you. Now, seventh tip. In design, open shelf looks fabulous. While, in reality those are very difficult to maintain. Some shelving near cooking range is functional. But, you need to limit them to an extent. Eighth tip. Ceiling fan is not appropriate in kitchen. You cannot use that while cooking. So, plan for wall fan or bladeless countertop fan. Ninth tip. The wash area looks messy all the time. So, if possible, keep it separate from main kitchen, preferably send it to outside balcony area. Just put a small sink with tap for vegetable wash inside kitchen. 10th tip. Fridge disperses a lot of heat. So keep it somewhere outside between kitchen and dining area. It is functional too, as no one needs to enter the kitchen to get just a bottle of chilled water. Now last but not the least, provide a pantry top or breakfast counter between kitchen and dining area. It works as a service counter, when lots of guests are to serve. Today's video ends here. I have mentioned some very essential tips here on kitchen designing. But, if you want a detailed step-by-step process of designing a kitchen, please comment me, and I will bring a tutorial video very soon. Please subscribe the channel and share the video as much as possible.